Good morning, everyone. This is our friend Ted, not Fred, the gummy bear. Gummy bears provide us with sugar and energy. Each gummy bear contains 1.19 grams of sugar, which helps brighten up your day. Now, sugar, when it's burned, which is exactly what your body does, provides oxygen, combines it with oxygen and produces carbon dioxide and water, this process releases 2,805 kilojoules of energy for every mole of glucose that you burn. So what I want to know is how many kilojoules of energy are released from one gummy bear. So what I would do is I would start with the mass of sugar that you're given, which is 1.19 grams. Whenever we're comparing quantities involved in a chemical reaction, we always have to go to moles. So first step, divide by the molar mass of glucose, and you get that you have 0.0066 moles of glucose. Now, for every 1 mole of glucose, I produce 2,805 kilojoules of energy. Now, this negative sign right here implies that the energy is lost during the reaction. Since what I'm asking you is how much energy is provided by the gummy bear, that kind of implies that negative sign, so I don't have to include it right here. So, given this many moles, 1 mole produces that much energy, 18.5 kilojoules of energy is released. Now, we usually use calories to describe energy, like when you look on anything you eat, you see the nutritional contents, it says big C calories. Well, a big C calorie is essentially the amount of energy required to raise a liter of water by 1 degree Celsius. So, what this is, right here, enough energy to raise this thing's temperature by about 16 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the ignition of this and the hood. Please pause. So now I've heated up some sodium chlorate, which is essentially a strong oxidizing agent, to just make this happen a little bit faster. So now I'm going to add Ted to the test tube, and we'll see this energy get released. So as you could see, that was a lot of energy released by burning just one gummy bear. And that's the same thing that happens in your body. However, in your body it's controlled in a slow, stepwise fashion through the Krebs cycle and other metabolic cycles. So it's a lot safer than that. You don't just burst into flames when you eat a gummy bear. That would be terrible. So your assignment for homework is to figure out how many gummy bears must be consumed in order to produce 111 kilojoules. So now you're thinking backwards. I've given you the amount of energy, and you just have to relate that to moles of glucose, and then how many grams, and from that you should be able to figure out how many gummy bears that was. And the second question I'm assigning is, if a pack of gummy bears contains 32 grams of sugar, how much energy is produced?